WinWorld and Poul Tech, reshaping the new ecology of poultry farming through digital innovation. With rapid global advancement, the poultry industry is now embracing a powerful wave of digital transformation. As a pioneer of China's super high constant temperature poultry farming system, WinWorld and Poul Tech are setting new standards in intelligent poultry farming. We are committed to bringing China's leading poultry equipment to the world stage. Core strengths: technological innovation and global collaboration. WinWorld and Poul Tech develop our own intelligent poultry farming systems, deeply integrating cutting-edge technologies such as the IoT and AI algorithms. Through strategic partnerships with global leading enterprises such as Siemens, Tufigo Rapidex, ARTIC, we strengthen global technical linkages and broaden the international ecosystem for advanced poultry production solutions. Digital Brain, cloud-based platform, and comprehensive system control. The WinWorld and Poul Tech digital farm system is not just a management platform, but also the digital brain to empower every stage of poultry production. Such capability enables unified data integration and intelligent decision-making throughout the entire farming process. 6 core cloud modules powering end-to-end poultry farming scenarios. Climate Control Cloud precisely regulates temperature, humidity, and other key environmental parameters to create optimal conditions for bird growth. Equipment Cloud provides centralized monitoring and control of essential farming equipment to maintain consistent and reliable performance. Drying Cloud delivers intelligent manure treatment that aligns environmental protection with circular resource use. Inspection Cloud supports autonomous robotic patrols, enhancing monitoring efficiency and accuracy. Central Control Cloud coordinates all supporting equipment across the farm to achieve full operational synergy. Farming Cloud integrates production data with financial information to establish a solid and well-structured system for farm management. Digital Twin and Full Factor Coordination. Equipped with a digital twin control platform, all key elements, groups, zones, houses, personnel, vehicles, and materials are brought into a centralized digital management framework. Every step of poultry production becomes visible, traceable, and fully adjustable. With a mobile phone or computer, transparent oversight and informed decision-making are easily realized. Intelligent equipment, bringing autonomous poultry farming to life. Chicken house inspection robot patrols the houses 24/7 and captures abnormalities in real time. Chicken grabbing robot delivers fast and precise grabbing performance, greatly reducing manual workload. Chicken house cleaning robot performs thorough cleaning to support a clean, orderly, and biosecure production environment. Chicken house disinfection robot delivers precise disinfection to keep the environment safe, prevent cross-contamination, and reduce disease risks. A new generation of smart robots turns the vision of unmanned farming into real-world practice. Credibility Foundation, recognition, scale, service, certifications and qualifications. National High-Tech Enterprise, National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, Postdoctoral Research Workstation, along with numerous nationally recognized honors. A portfolio of nearly 300 nationally accredited patents, including 9 authorized invention patents. Global footprint, established presence across more than 30 provinces in China, and active operations in over 60 countries and regions worldwide. Project achievements, over 100 digital farm projects delivered annually, supported by fully intelligent unmanned production lines that enhance both quality and efficiency. Service assurance, over 200 dedicated team members provide 24/7 responsiveness and timely, high-quality support for customers worldwide. Brand belief. Shaping a new poultry farming ecosystem together. WinWorld and Poultry do not consider equipment sales as the endpoint, but place customer success at the core of what we stand for. Guided by the concept of efficiency, safety, and sustainability, we are committed to work with poultry producers worldwide, energizing 10 million digital farms to be successful, and jointly shaping a new landscape for modern poultry farming.